Hello everyone, my name is Kenneth and welcome to my wife's channel. Do you want to see how we build another version of the VisionBox? Please keep watching for more details. For this build, we're going to be using a total of 4 bookcases, 2 15-inch and 2 31-inch from the Billy series that was purchased at IKEA. The interior of this VisionBox is actually going to be bigger than Annette's, so I guess we'll call it the VisionBox XL. Annette's brother Jesse will be helping me put this build together, as his craft closet will be for his wife Shantae. They also have a channel that I will link in the description, so go on over there and show them some support. IKEA's furniture is very easy to put together, so Jesse and I are starting with the 15-inch bookcase. It took about 5 to 10 minutes to put the bookcases together. The bookcases come with several shelves, which we're not going to use for now. So our main focus is the middle, top and bottom shelves and the backing. I'm used to putting IKEA's furniture together, so I'm going straight for the screws as Jesse looks at the instructions to see if I'm doing everything correctly. Once all the main screws are in, we just add the pegs and insert the shelves. We use a flathead to lock the shelf in place and proceed to do that 2 more times. We attach one frame to the other and lock the shelves in on the frame, and then we slide in the backing. We have finishing nails to secure the backing to the frame, and that bookcase is complete. We do this 3 more times, but with the exception of adding the backing to one of the 31-inch bookcases. Jesse is using a nail gun to secure the backing of the 31-inch bookcase, which makes the process go by faster. He's also using trim that came in the box with the bookcase as a guide to secure the backing to the middle shelf. Another thing that we're doing differently in this build is storing the bookcases upside down because the Billy's frame have arches. Originally we cut our frame down 4 inches if you've seen the VisionBox review. That part will be hidden and covered by the crown, so no need to do unnecessary cutting. This is the last bookcase that we're putting together, and since we're combining the 2 31-inch bookcases, we're not going to add the backing to this one. Once all 4 bookcases are completed, it was time to add support wood to add the casters. We use one 2 feet by 4 feet maple sanded plywood and cut it into 3 pieces. 1 the size of the middle bookcase and 2 the size of the smaller bookcases. The wood is about a ½ inch thick and will add support to the frame and the casters. Jesse is marking and drilling holes where the casters will go. Originally we thought it would be easier to drill and screw the plywood to the frame with the casters, but the better solution is to secure the casters to the plywood than the plywood to the frame. Being that the bookcase frames and shelves are mostly made with particle board, the drill will just go right through and create a mess. Here is how the castings connected to the plywood looks. We use machine screws with nuts. The tricky part is finding the right size because if they are too long, then they will interfere with the turning of the casters as you open and close the VisionBox. We also screwed them down, going towards the ground so they don't go through the shelves. We use wood screws to connect the plywood to the frame. The plywood for the middle frame is double in size because we're connecting 2 bookcases. Once the bottom is secured, then we work on securing the top. We cut hardboard wall panel to secure the top of the middle frame. Now this part was labor intensive, so glad we got a table saw for future builds. With the middle frame complete, time to put all three frames together. Jesse is adding two 3.5-inch white hinges on each side to connect the three frames. The arches you see at the top is the reason why we decided to do this build upside down, and since we're adding a crown later, they won't be visible anyway. This concludes my review on the VisionBox XL. Of course, we have more to show you as we build the extended doors, crown, table, outer doors, and inserts coming in later videos. As I open the VisionBox XL, you'll see there is tons of customizable storage, and the double depth of using two bookcases allows for larger machines like heat presses or multiple Cricuts. The storage possibilities are endless as Shantae will customize this to fit her needs. All the additional shelves will be used later as we complete the craft closet. Let us know what you think. I'll leave all information for items used in this build in the description, along with the links to purchase. Special thanks to my brother-in-law Jesse and his wife Shantae for letting us film and build this at their home. If you like this content, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Until next time, stay fabulous and be your own vision. Annette says of beauty, but I'm not saying that.